Question number 166. Hormone recognized as an amino acid derivative is. The options are glucagon, ANF, aldosterone and adrenaline. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, that is adrenaline. This hormone adrenaline is a derivative of tyrosine and functions during emergency conditions such as fear, fight, etc. The other options like glucagon is an incorrect option. Glucagon is a peptide hormone. ANF, that is atrial natriuretic factor, is also a peptide hormone. And aldosterone is also an incorrect option because it is steroidal in nature. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 167. Endocrine gland among the following is. And options are mammary gland, salivary gland, lacrimal gland and parathyroid gland. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, that is parathyroid gland. This gland is an endocrine gland. It's a ductless gland which secretes hormone called PTH or parathormone, which regulates calcium level in blood. Whereas the other 3 options, that is mammary gland is an incorrect option, salivary gland is an incorrect option and lacrimal gland is also an incorrect option because these glands are exocrine glands. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 168. Action of water-soluble hormone is executed through secondary messengers. All of the following are secondary messengers except. Options are cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, calcium and ATP. And as you can see here, this water-soluble hormones, they bind to the membrane-bound receptor and thereby generate secondary messengers such as cyclic AMP or calcium or cyclic GMP. And then they'll produce biochemical responses or physiological responses. Now the odd one among the given options is option number 4, ATP. ATP is not a secondary messenger for water-soluble hormones, whereas the other 3 options, that is cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP and calcium are the secondary messengers, so these cannot be the correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 169. Cells absent in retina are, and options are bipolar cells, photoreceptor cells, ganglionic cells and hair cells. And as you can see here, type of cells present in retina are ganglionic cells, bipolar cells and photoreceptor cells such as rod and cone. And so the odd one among the given options is option number 4, hair cells. Hair cells are absent in retina. On the other hand, other 3 options like bipolar cells, photoreceptor cells and ganglionic cells are present in retina, so these are the incorrect options. And the correct answer is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 170. All the given features regarding human ear are correct except. So you need to find out an incorrect state with respect to human ear. The very first statement is endolymph is present in scala media. And as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. As you can see here in this scala media, endolymph is present. Whereas in scala tympani and scala vestibuli, perilymph is present. The next statement is stapes is attached with oval window. As you can see here, this is stape present in internal ear and it is attached through this oval window with the scala vestibuli. So as it is a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The next statement is basilar membrane forms floor of scala media. And as it is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. As you can see here, this basilar membrane forms the floor of scala media. This is scala media, whereas resinous membrane forms the roof of scala media. The last statement given is cochlea is filled only with endolymph, and as it is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question. Because cochlea, which is composed of both membranous and bony labyrinth, is filled with endolymph as well as perilymph. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.